Hello students, welcome back. Class 11. Today I am discussing our chapter 6 dictionary. Last time I have discussed about the nesting of dictionary. Okay, today I am discussing some dictionary questions and answers. Okay, question and answers you can see. So my first question is, consider the following dictionary. This is our dictionary dict1. This is your dictionary variable is equal to 1 : Monday, 2 : Tuesday, 3 : Wednesday, 4 : Thursday, 5 : Friday, and 6 : Saturday. So before colon always key. Okay, so 1 key, the value of 1 is Monday. 2 key, the value of 2 is Tuesday. 3 is key, the value of 3 key is Wednesday. 4 is key, the value of 4 is Thursday. 5 is a key, the value of 5 key is Friday. 6 is our key, so value of 6 key is Saturday. So what is the question? Give command to add a new element. I want to add a new element with key 7 and a value Sunday. Okay, so we want to write a Python code for this and check whether key 0 exists in the dictionary or not. Okay, so two questions we can say. Simply we can use dict, because this is our variable. We can use our 7 because this is our key, and directly we can use is equal to Sunday. So this will add a new element at the last of the dictionary. And our next question is 0, because here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 0 is not available. 0 key is not available. So we can check. So what is the Python code? We can use in operator. In operator is our membership operator. So we can use 0 in dict1. So this code will check so 0th key is available or not. Okay students. Now here our second question is, Ronnie has created a dictionary student having student name and roll numbers. As per the new guideline, he needs to remove all the element of the dictionary and redefine the key value pairs. Suggest an appropriate command to delete all the content of a dictionary. Simply we can use student, this is our dictionary name, and we can use .clear. Okay, so dictionary variable is available, but the content of dictionary will remove with the help of this command student.clear function we can use. So we can use this command. Okay, so you can see this type of question you keep in mind for examination purpose. The next question is, write a program to enter name of n subject and their head teacher as input and store them in a dictionary. Take n as input from the user. Means we can create a dictionary with the help of by inputting the key and value from the user side. Okay, so simply we can use here I am using subject head. This is our dictionary variable. Here I am using dict function. So we can say this is our empty dictionary. This is our empty dictionary. So first we input how many elements we want. First we decide how many elements we want. So here I am using n int input, enter the number of values you want. Suppose we have 5 students and 5 teachers. So total we give 5 elements. So here 5 will store in A. Okay. Now here I am using for count in range n. So here n we can use here. So total we have 5 students and 5 teachers. Okay. So it will create 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 because range function you can see. So here 0 time count function will work, and here subject we can input separately. First subject and first teacher we can input. Then this subject and teacher variable we can store this data in a dictionary variable. You can see subject head. So subject, this is our key, and teacher, this is our value. Again loop will work for second subject and teacher. So we can separately input subject and we can separately input teacher. Then this subject and teacher we can store data in a dictionary. Subject and teacher. Again loop will work in third time. We can input subject and teacher, and so third subject and teacher will store. Again loop will work. Again fourth subject and teacher we can input, and so this dictionary will fill one by one, and last element is fifth, so we can subject. And so in this style first we input the total number of element, and this loop will run the inputted number of times, and we can separately input subject and teacher, and this subject and teacher we can store in our dictionary variable. So this dictionary will create in a new way. Okay, so this is a new way to create a dictionary from the inputting the user side. Okay, now we can display this dictionary. So simply we can use print subject and teacher, simply because subject head, this is our dictionary variable, so simply we can use I for I in subject head. So I will display the key and subject, and in square bracket I it will display the respective value. So we can first we display the subject, and this command will display the respective teacher. Okay, so that loop will run one by one. Here T will is a tab. Okay, so first display subject and then the subject teacher. So we must have a proper gap between. Okay, so this is a new program. So in this program we create a dictionary with the help of user side to input. Okay, and we can display this thing. Now today I am discussing some new Python programs. Identify the invalid string from the, so we know very well in double quotes this is right, in single quotes right, in double quotes, but in bracket we never use to store a string. So this is not a valid, this is a invalid string. We can use double quotes, single quotes, double quotes, but in square bracket we cannot store our strings, our names. So this is our invalid. Okay students, now second command is, suppose a is equal to 2.0, b is equal to 3.4, c is equal to 4.8. okay, so and then value you can put 2.0 minus 3.4, here 3.4 minus 4.8. you just put the value and subtract this value and then compare this value, and finally you check it is equality or not. Okay, so after performing this kind of operation, so finally it will check and display the true. Suppose 2.4 minus 3.4, so it will give minus 1.4. okay, so this thing first you subtract and less than and greater than you will perform, then equality finally you check, then you will get your false. Now how many times will the following loop runs? Okay, so we know the range function here using 1, 11, 3. So 1, then 4, then 7, then 10. So okay, so we can say this range function run 4 times. This range, first 1, then 4, then 7, then 10. Okay, inside. So because 3 is our gap, 3 is our step value. So 1, 4, 7 and 10. So we can say 4 times. 4 times this loop will work. Here this is a new program. Write a script in Python to accept two angles and find whether it is linear pair or not. Here sum of angle of linear pair is 180. We know very well this is our geometric terms. So first we input first angle in A1, then we can input the second angle in A2. Then we can add A1 plus A2. If it is equal to 120, so we can say this is our linear. If it is not equal to 180, so we can say that is not a linear pair. Okay, so this is if-else program. Now predict the output of the following question. Okay, this is our program. and we can run this program and we can write the output of this program. So first 4 in I in range 3 comma 15. So 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 and 14. Okay, so this program will check only even values from 3 to 14, 3 to 14, because here I am using mode 2. So 3 is not completely divisible, so it will not display. Again loop will come and then next 4 will use. So 4 is divisible. Okay, so it will give 0, so it will display 4. Again loop will work, 5 value we will use, and 5 mode 2. Okay, so it will not divisible, so this will not display. Again 6 will come and 6 mode 2. Yes, 6 is completely divisible, so it is 2, so 6 will display. So in this style loop will work until the 14, because 15 will not execute, because range function always 1 less. So you can see, so this output you will get. So you can see this type of question you will face in the DAV examination. Now next thing is write the following expression in Python. Look, this is our mathematical expression 2 upon 3 b square plus 2cd. So I want to convert this expression in equivalent to Python code. So 2 upon 3, this is okay, multiply b square, we can use b multiply b plus 2, so we can use dot, we can imagine this is a multiplication in this style. Or we can also use 2 upon 3, we can use 2 times star, because this is our exponential operator we can use. And so this thing is equal. So this is our mathematical, and this is our Python code. So this is our exponential operator we can directly use, or we can use 2 times b multiply b. So same thing we can write in this style. Identify the keywords, variables or invalid identifier from the following. So we know very well keyword is in, because in not in, this is our operator. So we can say this is our keyword. Variable for and prints, because for is f is capital and prints s. So we can say this is a become variable. And hash while, because we never use any kind of a special symbol of any our variable declaration. So this is a special symbol, so we can say this is our invalid identifier. Convert the following for loop into while loop. So we know very well the for m in range 11, 1, -2 print m. Okay, so first because 11, so we can imagine m is equal to 11, while because it will start 1, so we can use 11 is greater, so we can use m greater than 1 and print m. But this is -2, so we can use m is equal to m minus 2. So the same program we can convert into the while loop. So the last program is Sunita has written the following program to find the average of first 10 numbers. The program has certain errors. Rewrite the correct code after removing errors. Mark and identify the type of errors. So first 10 number Sunita 1 to 8, but you find the errors. Okay, you find the, so you can see here you can see first to 10. So here 1 comma 10 is not working. Here we can write 1 comma 11. Here we can use 1 comma 11. So we can use 1 comma 11. Okay, so here 11 is important. Sum is equal to sum plus k, this is okay. After completing the loop, then we can calculate average equal to sum upon 10. This line is right, but print average. So print we must use in lower case, and average we must use bracket. We must use bracket. So here bracket is important. This is a one limitation we will remove, and here we can use 1 comma 11. 1 comma 11 because we want to average of starting first 10 numbers. In range we must use extra 1. Okay, otherwise it will calculate 1 to 9. But in this program we want 1 to 10. So for this we can use 1 comma 11. And in print command we must in lower case, and we must use bracket before or after in average variable. Okay students, thank you so much.